Yeah, as I'm saying, the technical analysis and fundamental analysis are two completely different things. Technical analysis is when the traders, they study the charts. Technical analysis, they study price, candlestick patterns, support and resistance, trend lines, indicators, the market structure. That is technical analysis. But fundamental analysis, or what is called macro analysis, this is when the traders, they study the economy behind the currency. Number one, inflation, interest rates, GDP, employment data, central bank decisions, geopolitical events, global money flows, those are the things that I spoke about. Last time I spoke about the CPI, the PPI. So those are, that falls under macro analysis or fundamental analysis. So macro analysis, it studies value, whereas technical analysis studies price. And then of course a good trader, like a real professional trader, will use both of them, and then when they combine both, they will understand that price is incomplete without an understanding of the economy. So it's important that you guys understand the economy. There's nothing that you can do, because right now what's happening is that you see a lot of traders right now, they are just waiting for the NFP, the CPI, and then you see a group of people just trading, but they don't really know what is happening behind the scenes. Therefore, many traders, they blow their accounts because obviously they enter the market emotionally. You can imagine there's something called a liquidity sweep. So you can enter the trade, it's a whipsaw where the market goes up and down. So basically, when I talk about macroeconomics, I'm saying to you that you need to study the inflation, you need to study the interest rate, you need to study the employment data, you need to study consumer spending, you need to study the economic growth, you need to study the monetary policy. Because currencies, they all represent economies. So if an economy is strong, its currency tends to strengthen. And of course, similarly so, if the economy is weak, its currency tends to weaken. So what is the biggest driver in Forex? The biggest driver in Forex is interest rates. And why is it interest rates? It's because money flows where returns are the highest. If the US Federal Reserve increases the interest rates, global investors move money into the US dollar to earn higher returns, of course. So obviously that will create a demand for the US dollar. And when the demand increases, the currency is obviously going to strengthen.